Storm Bella brings gusts of more than 80 miles an hour and amber weather warnings for parts of Wales and southern England.
And the winds from Storm Bella are peaking right about now. Those damaging winds combined with some very wet weather, so a risk still or concern for further flooding and some treacherous conditions on the roads. Further north, we're back into wintry weather with ice and snow a risk today.
And online, the BBC News website has the latest updates on Storm Bella as the storm brings heavy rain and high winds to parts of the UK, particularly in the south and the east. This morning, Helen, goodness gracious, is that...
Morning.
Oh, gosh, where's that? That's
A flooded street, and I'm sure there are plenty, unfortunately, like this morning, courtesy of all the rain we've seen and, of course, Storm Bella, which we are currently bearing the brunt of, those damaging winds. And further flooding is likely because all the rain that we've had will make its way down the river systems. And if that weren't enough, it's pretty cold air following on behind this weather front, which is whipping through southern and eastern areas this morning. And there are snow and ice warnings out across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. It's really cold air. So we've had this brief, milder interlude as Storm Bella's moving through. But then for the next few days, it's back to the cold weather. But as I say, right here, right now, we're seeing the peak of Storm Bella. These are some of the gusts we've seen in the last few hours. 84 miles an hour in Southampton, 54 inland in Heathrow. So hence the amber warning from the Met Office still stands for the next few hours for those damaging winds, debris around, lots of standing water and spray on the faster routes. It is treacherous on those faster routes. I can vouch for that on my drive-in just an hour or two ago. And you can see how wet it is, and unfortunately falling in areas where we have still got 2 severe flood warnings in force at the moment across parts of eastern England. Now that rain will move through, and before the morning's finished it will have cleared the Kent coastline, but there are showers following on behind. Probably not that many actually for southern and eastern areas. Plenty of sunshine. The winds will slowly ease but still really quite brisk further north and west. Snow showers to even low levels in the north. We're only talking about temperatures getting to 2 to 4 degrees. These are the gust of winds come this afternoon, so they've eased. They've eased down, but it's still a windy day, and that will accentuate the chilly feel. We're starting at about 8 or 9 in the south. Temperatures will fall away through the day. So ice a real risk and snow at lower levels in the north. And then this evening, well, we've got a band of more persistent snow coming into Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, parts of North Wales. And as I say, it's not just on the higher ground. We can see the snow settling at lower levels as well. So it will be a much colder night. Temperatures widely getting to freezing or below, and with all the rain that we've had, things will freeze over. So ice is going to be an issue as we head into the start of the new week. Now, come the start of the new week, the remnants of that low pressure slipping across southern areas, and that means with the cold air being dragged down, there's a real chance that we'll see some snow in southern parts as well. And again, not just in 1 or 2 spots, it could be a little bit more widespread. It looks quite showery here, so the jury's out. We're going to have to firm up on the details as we go through the next 24 hours. Obviously, all concerned at the moment is what's happening with Storm Bella, but just a heads up that it is going to be another cold snap of weather to come in the next few days, and we will see some wintry weather, something that will, I'm sure, excite many school children, but it will obviously cause some disruption as well. But right here, right now, it's the winds and the rain that are giving us cause for concern. The details of the warnings, they're all on the website. Roger and Nina.
Thanks very much, Helen.